There's only one major trend, which is clear. It's short run, inventory management, all that stock replenishment model that we talked about for the last years is there. Everybody's working in that direction, and hopefully printers are following the path, and publishers will keep on requesting it. We have to reduce inventory, we have to do some cost saving, but at the same time, printers have to have volume to be able to be efficient on those short-run environments. And we'll talk obviously about technology, but technology gives us the ability now to produce those short-run at high volume. A workflow is really from an order entry with the web connection to the manufacturing structure of reading a barcode on the box at the shipping dock. There's many different operating systems. It is a complex solution, and it's very dependent of each implementation. And nobody, as a supplier, has that knowledge or that capacity. It has to be from the inside. And you cannot destroy what you had before. You have to build on top of what you already have. So I think the smaller printers will have difficulty. And let's face it, in the book printing, like any other place, it's critical mass, it's volume. We had efficiency over the years if you had the volume and the critical mass to be efficient. It's not different with inkjet. If there's something, it's even more important. We need backup on those presses. We need volume to reduce the make-ready because changing substrate and paper roll is costly. We need volume. It will never change efficiency linked to a size of a printing plant. I don't personally believe that a small printer could be efficient if it doesn't have a lot of volume on a specific marketplace. It could be small, but doing thousands of orders a day or a month, it will be efficient. It's volume. Critical mass is fundamental, and then it will build a workflow according to that. If you look at at Drupa 2008, there was fundamentally one solution that could handle an inkjet web over 30-inch. If you look at today, in the last 4 years, I should say, many suppliers have developed wonderful solutions. They work hard to understand the need, to be able to prove their concept, to implement, to improve their process, to know how to manage this new piece of paper that was produced by a water-based inkjet with all the curl and the static that was generated. They've been able to adapt to the new wider machine and faster machine. Since 2008, we saw a wonderful migration from those inkjet press in terms of speed, efficiency. We saw the print finisher, but the missing link, the masterpiece missing, is the inability to print on regular inventory that we have. The only one that's an exception to the rule is HP with the non-coated paper that they've done very well in the last 4 years. So we're able to use the normal substrate to print very good product. In the offset substitution world, our customers are expecting similar quality as offset. They're expecting look and feel not different from a little books or a digital book. So the fact that we seem to be forced in the color world to be able to, we're forced to use a treated paper will have many negative to that. One will be, it's an expensive product, okay? It's a limited offering. It's asking the printers to have duplication of inventory, and that means cash flow badly invested. But coming back to the cost of books will reduce the break-even between digital and offset. And again, like I'm repeating all the time, we need volume to be efficient in the inkjet. You know, we need plants that need 3-4 presses and to be having the volume with those hundreds and thousands of orders to be efficient. We need to be able to be competitive versus offset. And I just pray God that if you look at those inkjet developers, they did miracles with those 100,000s of nozzle. I just hope that they will be able to find a solution, a pre-processing, better consumable, that I'm convinced personally that one of these days, could be at Drupa, could be later on, they will develop the solution not to have to reinvent the wheel and having all those tens and many different special paper for inkjet and duplication of inventory. It's not the right road.